In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to distort the perspective of an object using Adobe Illustrator. So I have Adobe Illustrator open and I have this single shape here. It's actually an O on its side, and I want to change the perspective like it's laying down on its side. So I'm going to use the free transform tool to adjust this. So in my left toolbar, there is a tool called the free transform tool. If you don't see this, you can either go down to your toolbar settings and find it here, or you can also go to Window, Toolbars, and click Advanced, and you should see more options in your toolbar and find it there. So let's first select our object and click the free transform tool. You'll get this little taskbar that appears, and we have some different options that show up. We have free transform, constrain, perspective distort, and free distort. So let's just look at how all of these work. So this first one is free transform. And if I just start moving around the edges, I can really just make this any shape I want. Okay, this next one is perspective distort. And this allows me to take the edges and they will stay consistent. So you see the bottom is changing the same on both sides and the top. Okay, I'm going to undo that and let's try this last one. Let's go to free distort. This is, I think, what I need. I want the bottom to appear wider, almost like the shape is laying down. So therefore I want the top to be a little narrower. So I'm just going to pull that in on the sides and also pull the top down just a hair. And I'm just carefully making sure that these are staying as even as possible. Next, let's try this with some type. So if I use the type tool, let's type out some words. Design. Okay, and I made that text a little bigger. Now let's convert it to outlines. Go to type, create outlines. So now I just have letter shapes. Okay, let's go back to our free transform tool and we can try these again. Let's try the perspective distort. So again, we can have the letters look like they're going into the distance. You can also have them look like they're going left or right by dragging the sides up and down. And let's use free transform again. I want this to look like it's laying down, so I'm going to widen the base and narrow the top. So that's how you use the free transform tool to change the perspective of shapes and type using Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, check out my next video with this quick Illustrator tip. You can try a free 7-day trial of Adobe Illustrator using the link in the description of this video. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Cry Studio. I'll see you in the next video.